Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add Google Calendar to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started logging into your account. So in the upper right corner, go ahead and get started logging in, after which you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where we can find the websites we can access that we own. So you want to go ahead and find the website that you want to Google the embed calendar into. So go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, and it's going to open it up in this preview mode where you can take a look at the website, the products, content, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically, guys, we are going to be using the embedded code because Squarespace does not implement the option to add in Google Calendar directly. You can use some different calendars, but not Google Calendar. So what we need to do is go ahead and follow the steps right here. As you can see, how to embed Google Calendar Squarespace. So what you want to do, guys, is go to the calendar.google.com website. There you want to click on the settings option, as you can see right here, and go to my calendar at the left side of the screen. Follow the settings right here, guys, and you'll be able to find the embed code option. So what you want to do is find this code right here and you want to copy it. And now guys, we can get started pasting it to our website. So we're going to open up edit mode on our Squarespace website, and after clicking edit, guys, in this new menu of editing sections that appear, you want to click add block. After clicking add block, guys, this is now going to give you a list of all the blocks you can add, and one of them is going to be called code. So what you want to do is open up code, and after opening up code, guys, now you can go ahead and double tap it and get started with adding your code right here. So type in your embed code right here and get started with adding it. You can use either the code right here or just type embed and you can add the direct embed code that you want, and everybody will be able to see your Google Calendar. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.